Hi guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome you to another video on SEO. In today's video, I'd like to kind of demonstrate how I was able to rank one of my clients' website for a very difficult keyword or competitive keywords. So let me first show you the keyword where he was able to rank for on the first page of Google. So the keyword is computer problems and solutions. To me, basically this is not any long tail keywords, but rather, like a short tail keywords here. And to my surprise, the site is ranking on the second spot here, and that is in Canada here as well. If you do a search from, let's say, a United States or somewhere else, you may find a little bit different in the ranking. But normally, it will be always be on the first page, no matter what. And we also want a snippet in this case as well, as you can see here. This is the client's website, and this is his ranking here. Well, to be honest, when I first created this article, I didn't really intend to even ranking on the first page because the site is actually the computer repair local website, right? So let me just show you the client website here as well. So the client website is ishapetechnologies.com, right? It's essentially a local business website in Canada, right? As you can see here, this is a local website in Edmonton, Canada, and this is also a part of his blog article here, and this is that particular article, and that is the top 10 common computer problems and solutions, as you can see here. But to my surprise, after a couple of Google algorithm updates recently, the site, the content came up on the first page, which initially was on a third or even fourth page, right? So let me just show you the performance on the Google Search Console as well. As you can see in the last 3 months, right, these are the clicks, and as you can see, like only recently we've kind of got increase in the clicks here, right? On this particular day, we even got 22 clicks in a day, which is very surprise to me as well. And why I'm saying that this is actually a difficult keyword here. So let me just toggle the mouse bar for you, and you can have a look. As you can see, the #1 ranking spot comes from this particular site, right, with a domain authority of 83 and 3 links, right, as you can see. And my site having the domain authority of just 14 here. And then we've got 53, right, 86, 91, 92, right, 36. Tech Radar, as you know, right, is a very big website. PCWorld.com, very authoritative website as well. And 58 here, right. This is also a computer related website, very big site as well. And 34 here. As you can see, there are like tons and like lots of authoritative websites ranking on the first page. Even if I click on the second page, right, you still see that there are lots of authoritative sites ranking here, like 34 in this case, right, 60 in this case, 26, right, 93 here, 23, 23, and 27, like 48. You can see like there's lots of authoritative sites ranking, and this is the same domain authority as my client site, but having 8 links here, right? But let me just show you here for my clients. His site is having just a 0 links and domain authority of just 14 here. This, to my surprise, that the content is ranking very well. And what's the reason behind this? The reason behind it is what we call as topical relevancy. Topical relevancy. And what I mean by topical relevancy is what is your website general theme, or what is your website specifically all about here. So since the client website is actually a computer repair website, right? So from the home page, starting from the home page to each and every page on our website, we designed it to be all about computer repair and other related stuff here. Like as you can see here, the home page has the computer repair, right? And then we've got like a laptop repair. Then we've also got a services page, like you can see computer repair service, laptop repair, virus removal, network repair, right? As you can see, all the content on our website are essentially about computer repair, right? And even if you check on the blog section here, you see that the majority of content in the blog sections are related to computer repair as well. Like for example, this content, right, or even this content, or this content here. So this, according to Google, when Google looks at our website, it can clearly understand that our website is specifically about computer repair, which kind of signal to Google that we are an authoritative in this field, right? So when it comes to ranking for a difficult keyword like this, our site, basically, beat many of other sites. Like, for example, you saw, many authoritative websites like, this Honkia site, which basically deals with, different things about IT, right? But our website is super specific to computer repair, and that's why we're able to rank much higher than this site or even all other sites, right? And this is the key reason why. And when you actually look at the article itself, right, it's actually nothing special here. Like a typical 10 problems, as you can see, right? Like just you can scroll down, right? You can have a look. It's just a normal content here, roughly about almost 2,000 words, and nothing fancy here. No images, nothing here. Just simply a normal content here. In fact, we've even got less problem than this particular site. So let me just open the content for you, and you can have a look here. As you can see, right, this site, the content looks even much cleaner than us, right? They've got the videos, they've got different images demonstrating and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, we outrank the this particular site, and we also outrank many authoritative websites, right? So the key thing in order for you to rank for a difficult keyword like this is to basically build a topical relevancy, right? Or what we know as topic authority. Makes Google understand your website as being an authority in any particular specific field, right? Like in our case, it's about computer repair. If, for example, you're running a cooking site, then you may want to very narrow down to one specific thing with regards to cooking. For example, about just recipe, right? For example, something like that. So that's all for it. I hope you find this video valuable, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you like this video, make sure you press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.